पेरियाकुलम के पास चाय कलुपट्टी में जयराज अन्नापकीयम महिला कॉलेज स्वायत्त। बधाई देने वालों में रेवरेंड सिस्टर एस इनारिया सरहाया, मदर तिरुचिरापल्ली की सुपर जनरल सिस्टर, उपाध्यक्ष सिस्टर जोसेफिन विवाहित, मदर सुपीपिन विवाहित, मदर सुपरवाइजर तिरुचिरापल्ली और पेरियाकुलम जयराज अन्नापकीयम कॉलेज सचिव डॉक्टर आर शांता जोशिट्टा से विवाहित, जे कॉलेज प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर लर्थया कलाई सेल्वम, जे कॉलेज बिया करबी। साक्षात्कार डॉक्टर एंजेलिव सोरना IOAC अंग्रेजी विषय के सहायक प्रोफेसर के समन्वयक डॉक्टर ए जयकुलाइन रेगलना मैरी, फिजियोलॉजी के सहायक प्रोफेसर और एक्सेडेमिक्स के पूर्व डीन, न्यूज़ चीफ रिपोर्टर SPR रवि कुमार, थेनी जिला।
Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Angeline. I belong to the Department of English, Jayaraj Annapakiyam College for Women, Periyakulam, and I am also the IQC coordinator of the college. The college was started in 1971 by the Sisters of St. Anne's of
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Jacqueline, former Dean of Academics and Associate Professor of Physics, Jayaraj Annapakiyam College. Our college has not just a place of learning, but a cornerstone of transformation of women folk in Theni district. Recognizing that the future belongs to creators, the college has launched extensive startup programs where the students are nurtured here. One of the college's heartening achievements is its commitment to social mobility. We are proud to highlight that the large number of student beneficiaries are under Tamil Nadu government's Pudhumai Pen scheme from our college. 668 girl students have been benefited by this Pudhumai Pen Thittam in the academic year 2024 and 2025. By this, the college ensures that the financial barriers do not stand in the way of girls' dream. This institution is a certified research hub by Mother Teresa Women's University, boasting 7 research centers, 31 dedicated research guides across various disciplines, mentoring the next generation of thinkers and 60 research scholars. The college provides 2 types of in-house funding to the scholars. One is JAC FRP